What's up, mi gente? Today we're going to be making some quick and easy, simple cinnamon waffles. Let's follow along. Use your favorite pancake mix. Then add some cinnamon. Mix it around. Now add a half a cup of water. Give it a good mix. And finally, we are going to be adding our favorite Dominican vainilla. Continue to mix in all of the vanilla until you get the perfect pancake consistency. I like to use a non-stick spray and then add on the mix. I always like to give it a few seconds before closing it. And voila, the most perfect waffles you'll ever have. Nice and fluffy. Add the syrup of your choice and fruit toppings that you like. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.